Python is the ability to create multiple processes that run at the same time. So to start the multiprocessing in Python, using our code here, we need to import the multiprocessing library first, and we are going to be calculating the amount of time taken by this number of processes so that you see that they run exactly at the same time. So we define the start time for the processes. We have the function that does something or executes in parallel, and we make sure, because Python asks us also, make sure that we are in the main function just in case we need to import the processes that we need to execute somewhere else. So to start with multiprocessing in Python, you define the .process function of the multiprocessing class, and you use the target, you target something, then you have arguments you can pass in it. Now we are going to run these processes, that is 10 of them. This underscore determines in Python that you can just run an empty for loop. Now when we start the processes enter into the system in parallel, but they don't yet join the main function. So we need to put the .join to make them join the main function. And we calculate the finish time over here. When we run them, we're going to get the amount of time it takes to finish processing this number of functions. So if I remove here, to stop it from making to join the main process, and I run it, this is what. Okay, so if you observe my terminal here, you will see the actual main process actually finishes before all these other processes are done. So this happens in the background. It doesn't run alongside the main thread. So it takes approximately 0 seconds to be finished. So now, if I want to make it to enter the main thread, I just need to put the p.join here. And you're going to see that it takes just 1 second. Because we make it to sleep just for 1 second. You see, it takes just 1 second to be done. Now, if I run this, you see these processes, first of all, are run. They are run in the background, but alongside the main thread, and they finish in just 1 second. Now, if I increase this number of processes to, let's say, 100, and I run them, you see, it still takes approximately 1 second to be done. That is how much processing happens in Python. It enables you to be able to run a given number of processes alongside the main thread. So while this thread is being executed, while this main thread is being executed completely, these processes run in the background, making in such a way that by the time this thread finishes here, the processes here are also done. So no matter the number of processes you put, the time might be almost insignificant compared to if you just run these processes normally. It will take more time to be processed. So that's just how multiprocessing happens in Python. You just need the target to target something, the function that you want to target, or you might pass some arguments in it, like us we have passed the amount of time we want it to sleep here, and you need to make it to start. You start the processes, then you need to make it to join the main process. So that's just how multiprocessing works in Python. I hope you understood. In case you have any question, please let me know. So that's just it. Thank you.